If you want to get important measurement information like angle and area from your drawing, you can apply the Angle Measurement tool and select two objects to be measured. The angle measurement result will be displayed on the middle lower part of the screen. If you want to know the area and perimeter of an enclosed object, use the Area Measurement tool. Then, pick all the intersected points of the enclosed object and press Enter. So far, you will get not only the area and perimeter information, but also scale and measure unit applied to the drawing. Measurement tools help you to get accurate information about drawing geometry.